Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we're going to be looking at a video on how to enable or disable tab scrolling when many tabs are open. Just like the name says, tab scrolling when many tabs are open. So to enable this feature, let me show you how to do it. So you click on settings. We're talking about tabs that are more than your screen can take. So how do you enable this feature? So I want to enable it and I'll show you how it works. So click on privacy and security. Let's see if we can get there from features. So you can click on features to get there too. Then you can see user interface. Click on user interface. Then you can see enable tab scroll when many tabs are open. So make sure it's enabled. But let me show you what this means. Now, tab scrolling or purchase refers to a feature that allows you to horizontally scroll through a long list of open tabs when you have more tabs that can fit on your screen at once. Normally, it uses arrow buttons that appear at the end of the tab bar to navigate left or right through the tab. Essentially, it lets you access all your tabs even if they don't fully fit within the visible tab area. Now, it's supposed to be arrows, right? But mine uses bars. Let me show you what I mean by this. First, you have to open as many tabs as possible. I'm going to open many tabs here until my tab scrolling bar shows. Let's say you work with a lot of tabs that needs to be open. You can see it up here. This is the bar at the top here. That's it. So now just go to the left. So sorry, I'm moving it by mistake. Let me do that again. Good. So if I want to move to the, you can see it's all occupied. I also want to move to the left now. I simply move it to the left or to the right. This is tab scrolling. It's as simple as that. Now if you don't want this feature, you want to disable it, right click from the home menu, settings, click on features, go all the way down until you see user interface, and then you can see tab scrolling, then you disable it. And you can see the bar is gone. It's as simple as that. Now, in case you want to get rid of all these excess tabs you don't need, you can just pick a tab you need, click on it, right click on it, and then you can see close tabs to the right. Since I don't need all these tabs to the right, I can click close tab to the right, and they're all gone. It's as simple as that.